In this video, I will show you how to easily calculate student ranks in Excel in both ascending and descending order like this. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet containing student names and total marks. Now, I want to assign a rank to each student based on the total marks such that the student having the highest marks will have the rank 1 and the student with the lowest marks will have the last rank. To do that, I am going to use the Excel rank function. The rank function returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers. It has 3 arguments. The first is the number whose rank we want to find. The second argument is the list of numbers. And the third argument is the order that is either ascending or descending. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type rank followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the student marks. Now type a comma to enter the range of cells we want to rank. So I will select all the cells containing marks. One important thing to remember is that when we copy this formula to other cells, the range will change because the range of marks is mentioned using the relative reference. We do not want to do that. Regardless of the cell we are evaluating, we want to make the range of the cells containing all the marks fixed. To do that, press the F4 key on your keyboard to make them fixed. Now enter a comma to enter the order in which we want to rank the students. It can be either ascending or descending. We want the descending order so that the student with the highest marks will have the first rank and the student with the lowest marks will have the last rank. It is also the default order of the rank function, so we can skip entering this argument in this case. I am going to enter 0 and then type the closing bracket. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the rank assigned to each student according to the marks. We can sort the students' data by rank to make it look more organized if we want. To do that, select the cells and click on the sort button. Select the rank column in the sort by drop-down. Make sure that the order is set to smallest to largest. Click the OK button to close the window. We now have students' data sorted by rank. Watch this video to easily calculate employees' years of experience in years, months, and days in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.